Hi, this is April again with Staffing by Design Solutions, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to navigate to Zoom.us. This is the website that we use for any team meetings or one-on-ones with your supervisors. So you do need to know how to navigate to the site and enter in a meeting code. So of course we're starting from our Google Chrome browser, and we're going to put in zoom.us and hit enter. So it brings up the Zoom website. You do not have to subscribe to this service in order to attend a Zoom meeting. So once you're on the website, all you would do is click on join a meeting, and you will put your meeting ID here and then click join. The software will download, and then you'll be able to enter into the meeting room. So this was just a quick video to show you how to access Zoom, because this is the software that is used at Staffing by Design Solutions for any team meetings or one-on-ones. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.